We kind of just got bored of working for people. We couldn't really like make our own improvements or anything. And you're kind of just stuck in your place.
James, how are you doing, my friend?
Good
to see you. Every day is beautiful. I love it. So we are here today at Serving Solutions. Innovation never sleeps. You, my friend, a young 20-year-old, 2 robo drills, here with your brother, getting creative and excited. ITAR certified. Oh my gosh, excellence in manufacturing awards. I mean, how did you do this?
A lot of sleepless nights.
That's a great answer.
Yeah, but just, I guess, the history of the business. So when the pandemic was going on in 2020 with all the lockdowns, my brother and I were working manufacturing jobs, not like CNC, but I was working in sheet metal, he was working in injection molding. And we kind of just got bored of working for people. We couldn't really like make our own improvements or anything, and you're kind of just stuck in your place. So we were like, let's buy a CNC machine and see where it goes. So we bought a Tormach 440, we put it in our parents' garage. We kind of pushed all of my dad's stuff to the side, made our own little shop space. And then in about a year, we outgrew the 440 and we got a SIL X7. And then we had that in the garage for about a year. And then in November of last year, we put the SIL in this space we're in now. And then we added a 5-axis FANUC robo drill. And then once we got the robo drill up and going, we realized that the SIL just wasn't cutting it, so we upgraded that to a FANUC robo drill as well. And then since then, we've just been cranking out parts, and we've been investing a lot in all the best stuff we can. So Lang work holding, RegoFix, Power Grip tool holders, the FANUC robo drills, Autodesk Fusion 360 for CAD and CAM, ProShop ERP, tutorial for all of our inspection equipment. So
let's dive into that a little bit more, James, as into the why. You've named a lot of great products, you know, Fusion 360, the Lang, the robo drill, the RegoFix, the ProShop. You're obviously winning awards, as I've mentioned 3 times now in this video, which I think is important to understand for a young entrepreneurship company to go, we're focused on this. So what is the mindset behind getting into this quality? And the reason I bring that up is because a lot of people out there believe, well, I'm going to invest in something really inexpensive and try to do the best I can with it. And you guys have invested in top tier everything.
So for us, the goal is to build the best company we can and to attract the best talent we can. And you never see the best employees in like a dirty old shop working with like dirty old tools. So if we're buying the best stuff, it's not only going to help us make the best parts, but it's going to attract the best talent. And a lot of times a customer might not know what we're investing in, but the end results speak for themselves. And I think buying the right stuff helps with a better product and helps with the lead times as well. Because if you're like looking for an old tool somewhere and you spend half an hour looking for something, that happens all the time. Like if you invest in organizing things, invest in all the right tools. If you have the right tool for every job, then things are going to get done fast and they're going to get done right. So
can we rewind that back for just a second?
The end results speak for themselves, and I think buying the right stuff helps with a better product and helps with the lead times as well. Because if you're like looking for an old tool somewhere and you spend half an hour looking for something, that happens all the time. Like if you invest in organizing things, invest in all the right tools. If you have the right tool for every job, then things are going to get done fast and they're going to get done right.
We constantly keep telling everyone, invest in the best equipment to attract the attention of the young people of the next generation, and you are quite literally that generation saying it out of your mouth. That to me is so very important. Now I want to learn a little bit more about what you're making and who you can serve in the industry for anyone who's interested in working with you. Would you mind going into some of those details?
Yep. So we specialize in small, complex, multi-axis parts, which is why we have the 5-axis. And we also specialize in quick turnaround times. So our core customers are medical device companies, aerospace, and tech companies. And for all of those industries, everything is about lead time. Everyone wants their parts yesterday. And so investing in all these things has helped us get really, really good at that. It's cut our setup times down a lot. And we're growing with a core focus in mind, which is we do small parts and we do it better than everyone else. So quick lead time, small, complex parts. That's what we do, and that's what we're good at.
Innovation never sleeps, does it?
Oh, yeah.
So I'd like to take this opportunity, if it's okay with you, as a part of your story and your journey, as you and your brother have launched this company, and you're quite young, there's probably some people out there watching right now inspired by this journey, inspired by your confidence, inspired by your willingness to learn and grow and invest in yourselves. Do you have any type of advice, any type of messages you could offer anyone out there saying, look, it does take a bit of courage, it does take a bit of resilience. Not every day is perfect, or maybe it is for you, I don't know, but not every day is perfect. And we put in the work to make this happen, but we would also encourage you to do something similar. Do you have anything you'd like to share with the audience about that?
Learn as much as you possibly can. If you're only working 40 hours a week, you're not going to get anywhere. And that doesn't even mean getting another job. Just soak in as much as you can, ask as many questions as you can. Don't afraid to be a little pushy and just ask people as many questions as possible. If manufacturing is something you're interested in, go get as many tours as possible. There's 100 shops that you can probably tour tomorrow that would be willing to take you around. And especially when people in the industry, or really any industry, see that you care about something and that you're passionate about it, it gets them passionate and they're more willing to help you. I see that all the time. Someone might be like a little on edge or a little grumpy or reserved, and then you kind of show them what you know or that you care to know, and then they instantly open up and share a lot of knowledge. And just being willing to learn opens so many doors.
I think that was a powerful, powerful statement. And to James's point, did I have to actually interrupt you while you were asking questions on your computer to do this interview? This guy asks a ton of questions. Look them up. We're talking serving solutions, innovation never sleeps, entrepreneurship, winning awards, partner with Pro Shop, investing in the best, which means they're going to get you the best product with a short lead time. And what did you say about being the best on a certain product?
Small parts, we're better than everyone else.
That's what it is. Small parts are better than everyone else. It's not just cocky, it's confidence, it's truth. That's what they're doing here. Just wait a few years to see what they turn into. I am going to ask to come back as well as this shop continues to grow. Thank you all for watching. James, thank you so much
to have you back.
for being a part of this. We appreciate you.
Awesome.